Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to verify your X account and age. So as you can see right now, I am on x.com and it's the same process on your mobile app as well. You can just click here on more and we basically need to access our settings. So click on settings and privacy, and from here you'll see your account, and we just need to go ahead and click on account information. Okay, so I've hidden my IP address, but as you can see right here, it says it's not verified. And when you click on learn more, so you need to meet the eligibility criteria before that option even shows up. So your account needs to have a display name and profile photo. It needs to be, active in the past 30 days. You subscribe to X Premium. It needs to have a confirmed phone number, okay? And make sure it's non-deceptive, and then you can go in and verify her. And you just upload your government issued ID, for example, a passport, driver's license, and you can go ahead and also upload your selfie for facial match. This only for some users, and then you just submit and you wait for review. Usually takes 5 to 15 minutes, but it can take up to 24 hours as well, and you should be verified. So if you found this video helpful, make sure you smash the like button and subscribe to the channel.